In this video, I will explain how to teach letter formation. Letter formation starts as soon as you start teaching phonics, but is to be taught outside of the phonics lessons. This is to avoid a cognitive overload during phonics lessons, where the main focus is on grapheme and phoneme recognition and reading. The lessons should only take between 10 to 15 minutes. You can also carry out the letter formation lesson in small groups as part of your follow-up activities in your usual provision, using the letter formation worksheets and display cards. This activity will obviously need to be supported by an adult so that the children are taught properly. Each letter is grouped into a friendship group. They are grouped by the way that they are formed. There are 4 groups: the Rainbow Pals, Bendy Friends, Beanstalk Buddies, and the Lightning Lot. You should explain that some of these letters are tall and start high up by the sun. These are sun letters. Other letters start lower down in the clouds. These are cloud letters. It is important to explain that every letter starts in the sky, at either the sun or the clouds, and shines down or rains down to the ground. Each letter is taught with a short mnemonic to help children remember their formation. When you introduce the letter formation for each letter, make sure that you recap the learning about the grapheme from the phonics lesson and ask the following questions. Which friendship group do you think this letter is in? Is it a sun letter or a cloud letter? Which part of the letter is sitting on the ground? Does it remind you of any other letter? Next, teach the mnemonic whilst tracing over the letter. Ask the children to repeat, copying your tracing in the air. Now model writing the letter on the board, then ask the children to practice using a whiteboard and a pen or a book and a pencil. Here you can address misconceptions that you observe. Next, the children will write the letter as part of a word. Following this short lesson, children can practice their learning using the letter formation worksheets. After every 4 lessons, there is a review lesson, just like in the phonics planning. In this lesson, you will review the 4 letters from the week and also teach how to form these letters as capitals.